ChatGPT or Meta AI? Yes. Can AI replace traditional studies? Pros and cons. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do, and professionally, I'm 10-year experienced, more than 10 years experienced professional teacher. And what I think about AI. First of all, requesting like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. And thinking about the AI is a good product, and AI is a good tool for studying, for researching, for getting informations. But keep in mind that there are a lot of cons along with this too. What I think about, I gonna let you know in the end section of this video. First of all, you are engaged into it. You have to comment down below that what do you think about studying via the AI. What are you thinking about it? Let's get into the system and ask the same question, that same question to AI, that what AI think about their self. Yes, you are listening right, because AI is changing our lives very fast. Now this is the questions we asked, that can AI replace traditional studies. Then it's breaking down and it's saying that it is a good tool to be used for study, but keep in mind that only personalized learning, it can help you in personalized learning in 24/7 hour accessibility, because teachers are not available with us and you can use your devices to get help. Instant feedback, you can give feedback to this and correct that give you corrections. Engaging and interactive, it looks very interesting and people keep on searching more and more things. They on keep deep studying. Efficiency, data analysis, you can do data analysis. And cost effective, very cost effective. You have to use just your mobile phone and internet or your devices. But what are the cons? Human interactions are not there, and I want to let you know I what I think about this thing. Human interaction is very important. How and why? Because borrowing things from friends and giving back, and taking things from friends, books, sharing, and talking about group discussions, that's called ZD. And group discussions is very important. They solve many problems. And if you don't have physical interaction, and I mean physical interaction, human interaction, then you don't play games, you will still sitting on chairs. That can damage your physical health and your mental health, and you never will be fit, so that you can do your life's work and you get succeed in your life. Because if you want to do jobs and anything, you have to good human interaction experience, and you have to a vibe, or you have to have a control, or you have I mean power to talk with people. You need a good power. And let's talk about more features, that is a limited creativity. Yes, it stops your creativity. You can't do much creative things because you depended on AI. Dependency on technology, as I talked about this. Data accuracy, that is data privacy concerns. Yes, it's very problem. You keep you searching, it can be solved on internet, and it's very damaging for you. Technical issues, there are technical issues. Internet stops working, or any regular updates or anything like this. Bias and inaccuracy. And what I am thinking about it, if you keep telling a lie on internet, on a hundred of websites, then you will see that AI also starts thinking that that is a correct information, and that starts providing you on the internet. So what you studying, that is accurate or not, you have to cross check with your books and your teachers. So that it's very important to physical presence in the colleges and schools for getting more life to your life. Yes, you are listening right. Good skills to your life. So increasing skills is very important, because without the skill, if AI starts work for you, I mean replacing humans, then it will be very bad for us. So like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for get more videos like this. Hope you loved this video. Don't forget to comment down below what do you think about AI studies.